Welcome everybody, here's Ahmed Nasser with a new tutorial. This tutorial we want to talk about dynamic access list. So let's begin with that. First thing, we have the source and we have the target. This is our source, this is our destination. I want to block this PC, deny this PC from reaching this server. Okay, so if I come here again, I just want to test it. I put the IP for the server, I can reach the index page and I can display it here. Okay, the same thing for this PC. Okay, if I come here and go, everything is fine. So I need to apply an extended access list. In order to apply an extended access list, you need to apply it to the nearest point, to the nearest interface to the source. So where's my source? Here's the source. Where's the nearest router? Here's the nearest router, the closest router to the PC. Okay, what is the nearest interface? This one is the Fast Ethernet 00. So its IP is the gateway for this network. Okay, so I need to apply the access list here. So in order to define or create an extended access list, you need to come to the router, to the CLI, and just type enable config t, and I need to start writing the access list. So I just type access list, then I type the number. Because we're talking about extended access list, the number is from 100 to 199. So let's say 100. After this, I need to deny the BC, the specified BC. So in the extended, remember, in extended we're talking about source and destination. So the source is 192.168.101 and I'm sorry, 20.101, because we're talking about BC3. Okay, and don't forget the wildcard bits, 4 zeros, and the destination is the server, which is 192, which is 192.168. Okay, dots, we're talking about 10.222, and wildcard bits, don't forget about wildcard bits, 4 zeros. Okay, so but this is not enough, because the way that we write this is similar to the way that we wrote this is similar to the standard, but this is an extended. So in extended, you need to specify the protocol. So I want to deny. You want to deny what? Is it UDP, TCP, or SPF? What is your protocol? So I need to deny the TCP. Okay, so I just come here. Let me just so as I can see here, I want to deny the TCP, and the source for the TCP is 192.168.20.101, and the wildcard bits 4 zeros. And after this, I want to specify the destination 192.168.10.222, and the wildcard bits. What is going on? 0000. Okay, and after this, I need to define or specify the port number. So is that port equal to 80 for HTTP, or is that port is for the telnet 23? So you need to know that. So I need to deny the protocol for the HTTP, which is 80. So I say equal 80 for specifying this protocol, and after that I just type enter, and this way I apply the access control rule here. After this, I need to permit any. So I come up to the list again, to this one, and I say okay, list is 100. I want to permit the rest, anything else. So I just say permit IP any. Okay, I just type this. So if I come here to exit to the router, say enable, and say show access list, I can see we got these rules, and there is finally in the end of this list, there's an implicitly defined permit IP any, deny IP any. So because of that, I put this rule, permit IP any to override that implicitly defined rule. Okay, so here we got the router. We need to apply the interface. So I come here and say interface. We're talking about the 0 interface. So fast Ethernet 0. I go to that interface, but before that, I almost messed up with this. Config T, and then I need to go to that interface and apply the rule. So I come to the interface 00, and I need to apply the access list group there. So I say IP access group, GROUP, and I say 100. It's 100 because it's extended, the same number when we created. And because it's inbounded, okay, it's inbounded, say in. After that, just type enter, and just go to the router and try show access. So as you can see here, we can see the access. So if I come up to the PC again and try go hit that link, so I go to the server, hit the server. As you can see here, we apply the extended. So it's timeout. We cannot reach that server. It's unreachable. So if I go to the web browser, try hit the same thing, I can't go there because it's permitted. Okay, this is for the extended ACL. Okay, so if I come to this PC, try to go there, everything is worked correctly because it doesn't matter. So what about if I try come to this PC, okay, and try Bing, the other network? So if I come to this PC and try Bing 192.168.20.101, for example. So as you can see here, we are trying to reach that, and everything is fine. Okay. Okay. What else we want to do? Okay. Okay, this is very much for this tutorial. Okay, I want to show you something here. If I go to this to the right screen, I can see here two bin tabs. So if I click the second one and I come to the choose a bucket, this one, and I try to send a bucket from this PC to the server. Okay, I just recorded the scenario, and after that I just come to the right and say auto capture. So as you can see here, we are moving the bucket. So the bucket is sent from this PC to the switch. After send it switch send it to the router, and from that whatever it's go to the next hub, and from going to the next hub we move that bucket to the switch, and that bucket will automatically send out to the server, and the server will give us a reply. Okay, in this way you can trace the bucket. So that's why this is called bucket tracer, because you can see the buckets in animated way. Okay, so okay, everybody. Okay, I recorded other scenario. I guess I recorded other scenario. Okay, from here to here, for example. Okay, as you can see here, we got two scenarios, previously defined other scenario. So this is just a simple way that I want to show you how this is gonna work. Okay, you can use this simulation tools in order to trace the Beckett, and this is very much for this tutorial. Let's end up with this, and see you in the other video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, put likes, comments, subscribe, and thank you again. See you later.